What's up, YouTube Nation? It's your boy Tridentfishing. I'm out here with the MBF. He wishes. He wishes. We got a special treat today. It's getting colder, and so we're gonna be doing something a little bit different. We're gonna be working the Paul Brown Devil. We can still work it fast because it's gonna be sinking. So we're not quite into super cold, super corky season. One cast takes you 5 minutes to reel it in quite yet. So we're still able to work the lure a lot faster. So we're gonna be throwing these Paul Brown Devils today. I got a purple tied on. Randy's got the pink yellow tied on.
It's actually called Texas chicken. TX chicken.
Randy's got the Texas chicken tied on. I got the plum truth tied on. So we're out here working a little bit deeper pockets today. I got a rod hanging off the back as always. Let's get into it. All right, to spice things up a little bit, we're doing a point system today. Undersized trout is 1 point. Keeper trout is 5 points. If you catch a trout over 20 inches, it's 10 points. And if you catch a trout over 25, it's 15 points.
Then you want to go 5, 10, 15?
Yeah, 5, 10,
Keeper,
15.
5, 10, 15?
And a redfish is worth 5 points.
There we go.
Oh, I'm getting a bite too. I was
There
getting a
we
bite.
go. Slot trout. About time, bro. Good eater. 15, 10.
All right, baby. First Paul Brown fish of the day. Dinkers. Let's see what's hitting us. Let's see what's hitting us. That's what's hitting us. Can't even put it in its mouth, bro.
Let's get that, bro. David's new PB on a Paul Brown.
Can't even put it in its mouth. Look, it got all 3 trebles though.
Captain Caleb did some.
Ooh. I don't know if he's keeper or not. We'll see.
It's like they'll fight hard for 5 seconds and then they just like lay down.
I know when mine have been good, but I can pull a little bit of drag. Right at the boat.
Not a keeper, bro.
So I got.
Yeah. Like a drum, dude. It's like.
It's a nice trout. It's a nice trout. That's dude. That's.
Oh, bro!
What are you doing? That was like the worst possible way. You're just like hanging him out over the front of the boat. Bring him over here and flip him in.
Dude, I was like, what am I doing? Yeah. You got that drag super loose, I see. Randy's got super loose drag. Just trying to turn 14 inches into keeper. I see. I got 3 points. I think I got my first.
Your first 13.
Oh, he came up to the top and died. He just shrunk a ½ an inch. Oh no, that's 15. Dude, 1 pop fish on. Just like the Slam Shady. It's like literally it was a 1 pop fish on. Just like the Slam Shady and the Berkeley Gulf. Oh, I know. I was playing with my command. First keeper of the day, baby! Maybe. Did we get into him?
I think I got a red.
Did we get into him?
This has got to be a red.
Did we get into him?
This has got to be a red. They're in the way to some trout. This is a trout. This is a monster. This has got to be a redfish.
You mean net it? You mean get ready with the net?
Yeah, it's a netter.
Left or right?
Dude, it's a big old red, dude. Dude, a redfish on the paw brown? Isn't that worth double?
10 points. Oh, healthy red. Ooh, don't horse it. Oh,
I just said,
healthy red, boy. Healthy red.
I said probably wouldn't get one on the Paul Brown, but
swallowed that, dude. Swallowed that, dude. That's when you don't even have to set the hook.
23 and a half.
Boom. Hold on, hold it up. Boom.
Mine's a little bit bigger.
That's a good one. Oh.
Dude, do you have that drag set to PP, dude? Like PP Herman, bro?
Well, I didn't want it to break my pole. So yes and no. I didn't want like a monster.
Dude, that's a keeper.
That's my biggest keeper of the day. Dude, I'm always catching some cheater fish off the back, dude. Bro, happened again. Happened again. What's up, baby? Berkeley gulp off the back of the boat. That's a free fish. 5 points for me. Boom.
See what we got.
15 and a half. It's my biggest one yet.
15. Actually, you're about a half inch over. That's a solid 16. But I got a redfish in there and a trout. David's got 2 trout. You got 2 trout, right, or 1?
2 trout.
All right.
So it's still pretty warm enough temperatures that we can work these Paul Browns pretty quickly. Randy was working it pretty fast when he got his red, and we've been working it pretty fast on these trout too. So the water temps are still in the high 60s. It's warm. The water's still pretty warm to the touch, so the fish are still moving. So the water temp drops in the next month or so. Maybe we'll slow it down, but for now we're still working these Paul Browns pretty quickly. Little trout, dang it, man. That's it, and I just wanted to like get some sound on it. I did like 2 pops. Little slot red. Right. Oh, right.
That's got to be another red. That's got to be.
Let's go.
Foul hook the drum or something.
Dude, yes. Let's go, man.
That hit it hard, dude.
Dude, it could be like a 26 inch.
A 72-inch trout.
26, 27.
Dude, on the Paul Brown, bro. This is definitely my PB on the Paul Brown. You said I've only caught about 30 fish on the Paul Brown. No. Think we need a net?
I'll get the bucket ready if you want.
Shit, that bucket, I showed that to my buddy Randy I was working with. He was like, dude, that bucket wasn't gonna work, bro.
Dude, don't break it off. You saw the boat, he got spooked.
Nice red.
That always happens.
Upper slot red.
They see that boat and they're like, oh damn, it's about to be the end for me.
Dude, he might even be oversized.
Did your Paul Brown just break off and float away? A piece of it?
I think he spit something up that was like pink.
Huh. Dude. Does not want to come in.
I'm trying, man.
She does not want to come in. Oh, son.
You have something to measure?
Dude, look. Literally just popped right off. That's crazy. Yeah. Yeah. Cradle it. Yeah, let me see what it looks like. Yeah, boy.
So I got like 15 points.
26 inch, baby.
Anything over 25 is 10 points too, bro.
I don't think it's red. I got a good trout.
Really? Oh yeah, dude. My buddy's got a fish right now. Ooh, nice little red.
I think you got a keeper.
This will be our third redfish. We already got 4 trout. Yeah.
Dang, is it too small?
My buddy David, he's gonna cook the fishing.
Shut the.
He's got his own channel, but I do all the catching.
He caught a small red. I think he sucks. 18.5 inch. Just a hair too small.
Dude, that is a keeper. That counts as 5.
Hey, nah.
That's 5 points.
Don't put that in the cooler.
Wow, bro.
You put that in the cooler, you scratch off a red. Little dinky boy. Hey.
Just going off the fire, bro.
He's a 3 spotter.
2 in there.
3 spot on there.
Dang.
Sand trout?
Dude, 3 species of 3. Freaking bit my tail off, so.
Yeah, this side sucks, bro. We came over here and there's a couple sand trout and dink red. We need to go back to the other side.
Yeah. Double freaking hook up, mother! Yeah!
Double dinks, bro. Double dinks. Double dinks.
All right, well, we've been absolutely hammering the dink trout today.
I've been hammering some reds too.
Randy just changed it up a little bit. He tied on that Texas roach devil. It's got that nice gold flake with the darker back, the chartreuse tail. Yeah, dude. It's got like an orange nose. Dude, especially in the sun. The sun's come out a little bit, so we're hoping that that sunlight will make those gold flakes sparkle a little bit. But got to get some more keeper trout in the boat. I don't know why these dinks are loving this Paul Brown so much.
Man, I'm gonna have to give you one of these purple ones, man. I like it. I wanted to get a red one, like the strawberry.
Randy's on a real short leash, so he's got to check in like every 30, maybe 45 minutes. But you know, when you're on that short leash, you know, they got to constantly be checking on you. That's this.
No, it's a good one.
Is it?
Shaking his head. Yeah,
Give me the net.
it's shaking his head way too much dirt.
Ooh, it's a red. Where'd it go? I lost it.
Oh, it's borderline, bro.
Nah, he's like 16. Dang it, at least I got
Oh, shit. Fell out of the boat, dude.
If you want to go swimming, bro, we can pull over to the side.
What fell out of the boat, bro? Yeah. Berkeley Gold. It feels like a fish, man. It feels. I think it's keeper.
Yeah.
I think it might be my
Keeper.
biggest of the day. Not saying much, but. Back on the board. 15.5. Yeah. Oh, dude. Oh, dude. Oh, dude. Stretching. Maybe number 4? No. No. Double hookup, son. Double hookup. See if I can get that. Oh. Slipped again. I think I might have one, dude.
Dude, that's
Get the net back there.
a trout? It's a hardhead. That's a hardhead, bro.
Oh, bro. Bro, I lost all my points, dude.
Hardhead on a lure, you lose everything. You don't even get to take home fish when you hit it. Dang.
All right, y'all, we're calling it a day. We caught 175 dink trout. I think we got 5 keeper trout, 2 reds, the undersized red. Some days are like that. Randy came out here the other day, did a solo drift, caught 5 keeper trout, 1 drift. We come out, catch 472 dink trout. All right, thank you guys for watching this video. Make sure and subscribe. Drop me a comment and a like down below. Well, I guess we only caught 4 keeper trout and 2 keeper red. That's life, right, baby? Merry Christmas, y'all.